Are you looking for the best halogen headlight bulbs in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best halogen headlight bulbs that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The fifth product on our list is the Philips 9006 HB4 Xtreme headlight bulb. These are the best halogen headlight bulbs as they are high quality and made to the same standard as the lights that are already in your vehicle. These are great value headlights that provide a bright, even light allowing you to remain visible when driving in all conditions in the dark. They come with an original quality seal to provide the most reliable performance, making them a great option for replacement cars' bulbs. These halogen headlight bulbs are DOT compliant and easy to install when using gloves to prevent staining to the glass. These are fantastic replacement car bulbs that can improve your driving safety by providing enhanced visibility. This car bulb is long-lasting and will provide bright illumination for a long time, keeping you safe and also visible when driving in all weather conditions. Up next in the fourth place is the PIAA 15211 H11 Extreme White. These headlight halogen bulbs are 4000 kelvins bright white color, offering visibility and style for your vehicle. These are great quality headlight bulbs made using heat-resistant quartz glass that provides long life, meaning they need to be replaced less frequently. These are very bright headlight bulbs due to the extra technology that is included, which provides increased light output, offering enhanced visibility and keeping you safe on the road. These headlight bulbs are durable as they feature aerospace alloy filaments, ensuring they will last a long time and provide safety for years. One of the best features of these halogen bulbs is the fact they offer a bright white light with a blue tint to enhance curb appeal. These are efficient halogen bulbs that provide 110 watts of light using only 55 watts of power. The third product on our list is the Hella Standard 55W Standard Halogen. These halogen light bulbs are designed to provide better light and visibility on the road for both your safety and comfort. These are original equipment car bulbs that are designed by a leading brand in automotive parts, ensuring they are of great quality while also being affordable. These Hella bulbs are designed for optimum fit and functionality, making them suitable for a range of vehicles. These halogen headlight bulbs are designed to last a long time and always come in pairs to provide a symmetric light beam, which is the best for safety. They provide a bright, neutral light that offers good visibility and comfort when driving to keep yourself and other drivers safe in all weather or lighting conditions. They are made to meet global standards, making them good quality and also suitable for a range of vehicles. Second on our list is the SYLVANIA SilverStar. These halogen headlight bulbs create a bright, white light that provides more down road to enhance overall visibility and performance when driving in a range of lighting conditions. These are some of the best halogen headlight bulbs due to the fact they provide a combination of down road, side road, and bright light, which can provide more clarity when driving at night and in dark conditions. These headlight bulbs have a specially designed filament proprietary gas mixture, which makes them one of the best options available as it adds a unique lamp coating to the illumination they provide. This coating provides a brighter, whiter light than most other models, enhancing safety when driving in the dark or foggy weather conditions. These light bulbs also come from a renowned brand in the business, making them some of the best. Finally, the top product on our list is the GE Lighting Nighthawk Halogen Replacement Bulb. These halogen headlight bulbs are designed to provide up to 50% more light than other GE standard halogen bulbs, making them some of the best available for enhanced visibility. These bulbs are made using advanced technology and also come from one of the best brands in the business, ensuring they are of great quality. They are easy to install, and this process can be done within minutes, as they simply need to be plugged in, and they are ready to go. This halogen headlight bulb provides uniform light to keep you safe when driving at night or in dark conditions. They are made to provide a live performance, ensuring you will be safe and visible at all times. This halogen headlight bulb set provides 2 replacement bulbs that are ultra bright and also street legal. These bulbs are noticeably lighter than other models, enhancing focus and safety on the road. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.